Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the hidden stories in company filings. Today we're diving into Empire Petroleum Corporation's latest update, and let's just say it seems like they've struck regulatory gold. Empire Petroleum Corporation, a name you might recognize if you follow the energy sector, has just filed a Form 8K. Now, an 8K is usually for significant events that shareholders should know about right away, and this one definitely fits the bill. It's like getting a special bulletin about something big happening. The main news here is a major win in New Mexico. The New Mexico Oil Conservation Commission, which sounds like a pretty important government body for oil and gas, has made a unanimous decision. That means everyone on the commission agreed and it was a favorable ruling. What's it favorable for? Well, it's about Empire Petroleum's ability to move forward with their CO2 development projects. And importantly, to protect something called EMSU assets. Think of EMSU assets as valuable things the company owns or manages in that area, and this ruling ensures they are safeguarded as the company works on its carbon dioxide initiatives. This is significant because it removes a potential roadblock and provides clarity and support for their future plans, especially as companies increasingly look at things like carbon capture and even carbon utilization, which CO2 development can be a part of. Now, let's quickly touch on how the company is structured in the market. Empire Petroleum Corporation has its common stock trading on the UNWISE American Exchange under the ticker symbol EP. This tells us it's a publicly traded company on a major stock exchange, making its performance and regulatory actions very relevant to investors. So what does this regulatory win mean for Empire Petroleum? It's a big deal because regulatory approvals, especially unanimous ones, can significantly de-risk future investments. It means they can potentially move forward with projects that might involve carbon capture, utilization and storage, or perhaps even using CO2 for enhanced oil recovery, which is a common practice in the industry. These kinds of developments are not only about environmental considerations, but can also be economically beneficial if done correctly, potentially improving extraction from existing wells or creating new revenue streams. This ruling suggests that the state of New Mexico sees value in their approach and is supporting their efforts through utilization and storage, or perhaps even using CO2 for enhanced oil recovery, which is a common practice in the industry. These kinds of developments are not only about environmental considerations, but can also be economically beneficial if done correctly, potentially improving extraction from existing wells or creating new revenue beneficial if done correctly. Potentially improving extraction from existing wells or creating new revenue streams. The report also signifies that this is a pretty significant event, so much so that they've attached the press release announcing it. This is essentially the company's official statement to the public and its shareholders about this positive development. It's often a way for companies to control the narrative and highlight the benefits of such rulings. While this filing doesn't contain detailed financial statements or tables that we can dissect deeply in this specific report, the news itself is a major indicator of potential future growth and operational stability for Empire Petroleum. This kind of regulatory certainty is gold for any company, especially in the often scrutinized energy sector. It means less time spent fighting regulatory battles and more time focused on execution and generating revenue from their projects. Looking at the bigger picture for a company like Empire Petroleum, navigating the complex landscape of energy development and environmental regulations is key. This favorable ruling from the New Mexico Oil Conservation Commission is a strong positive signal. It suggests that their business strategy, which involves CO2 development, is aligned with regulatory expectations in a key operating state. This can attract investors who are looking for companies that can successfully manage both operational and regulatory expectations. In a key operating state, this can attract investors who are looking for companies that can successfully manage both operational and regulatory challenges. It's about securing the license to operate and grow, which is fundamental. In my opinion, this is a clear win for Empire Petroleum. The unanimous nature of the ruling is particularly noteworthy, indicating strong consensus and likely highlighting well-presented arguments by the company. The focus on protecting MSU assets suggests an approach that balances development with stewardship, which is increasingly important in today's environment. While we don't have specific financial numbers here, this type of regulatory clarity almost always leads to better investor confidence and can pave the way for significant operational and ultimately financial progress. It reduces uncertainty, which is something investors dislike, and allows the company to plan with a greater degree of certainty. What's your take on this regulatory win for Empire Petroleum? Do you think this sets them up for significant growth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights from the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description for even more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decoding.